Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be curling my hair again. As you guys can tell by the title, I know I just made a video curling my hair using a curling wand, but NuMe just sent me their reverse curling wand. So I wanted to try this out before I, washed my hair. It came super quick. So since my hair's already straightened and it's already here, why not just try it? But my hair has been straightened for a very long time, so it's very oily, but I'm gonna just see what I can do to make it still look cute. I'll probably just do like a half up, half down kind of thing, and then just, create some curls with this reverse curling wand. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair, and then we'll start curling in a little bit. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. Like I said, it's pretty freaking oily, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this dry shampoo from Herbal Essence. I just got this little mini one from Target. And we're going to spray this in my hair because it's really bad. Well, I don't really think this is going to help much, but we'll see what it does. These waves that are in my hair right now are from the day I made the last video, and since that day I haven't touched my hair with a curling iron or hot iron at all. So this is what's remaining. That was 7 days ago, so my hair has been straight for 10 days now. It's crazy. But today I'm just gonna do a half up, half down hairstyle, but I'm not sure if I want to leave like some little pieces out in the front. I probably will. And I don't know where my little rat tail comb is, so I'm using a pencil to make a line. Let's see. No, that is not it. So I'm just taking out the two pieces that I want to have out. And then I'm going to section off my hair in the front, starting from the front of my ear, and I'm just gonna go up. So it's just gonna be like the very front portion of my head, of my hair. Alright, I'm just gonna use a rubber band to secure that, and I'm gonna make it super tight so like I get a facelift. Okay, so now that that's done, I forgot to plug in the freaking curling iron. Okay, so now that that's all done, I'm gonna show you guys the curling wand. I haven't opened it yet. I need these scissors. Oh no, I ruined it. Well, first off, I think it's really cool that it kind of comes in this little cylindrical box instead of like a regular box. Oh no, it's something different. And then let's just take this out. Okay. I can't grab this. What is in here? Oh, probably like instructions. It says NuMe professional styling tools. Oh yeah. Oh, this is cool. Oh yeah, so this little package is just instructions on how to straight, curl, or blow dry your hair. And then here is a little glove so you don't burn your hand. Because you guys seen in my last video, I burned my hand. I have a little scar here too from when I burned it. So that's cool. It comes with a heat protecting glove for your hand. And then these, I always do that. So this is the barrel. It's thin at the base and then it gets thicker towards the tip. That's why it's called the reverse curling wand. So I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna get started. So there's only an on and off button here. There's not really a temperature that you can set it to. So I'm going to see if it says it anywhere on the box how hot this thing gets. Oh yeah, it says it heats up to 410 degrees. While this heats up, I'll kind of read off some of these specs if you guys are interested. If not, you can just skip through this part. But it does say it is innovative clipless design for crease-free curls. It's a negative ion technology, advanced PTC heating mechanism. I don't know what PTC is, but heat-resistant hand glove included. Dual voltage, and then it says long, medium, or thick hair is effortlessly transformed into beauty waves and cool curls with a clipless ascending tourmaline barrel. Negative ion therapy promises shine with no damage to hair. So that's good. It won't damage your hair. Well, I mean, I'm sure every hot tool is capable of damaging your hair, but it's made to not damage your hair, which is a good thing. All right, so I put on my little heat resistant glove. It's a little big, but I'm gonna split my hair in half. And I'm going to wrap this ponytail section up because I'll do this part last. So I'm just going to start from the back and start curling. All right, it's 1:41. We're gonna see how long it takes me to do my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to start working on this ponytail. I'm just going to do the same thing and split it in half and then work on each side like that. So for the ponytail, I'm trying to do like smaller pieces so it's more curled. And I'm noticing, like, I was trying to figure out how is this different from the regular wand curl that I use. That's kind of the opposite way, where it's thicker at the base and then skinnier at the tip. And I feel like this one just gives me more like, I don't know if it's beachy waves or I don't know the technical term, but it is a difference in the way that it curls. And I think this is really cute. I kind of feel like if I like brush this out, it would just look like nice beachy hair. But we're gonna finish the other side and then we'll see what it looks like in the end. So I finished my hair a few minutes ago, so I'll say 2:10. It's 2:13 right now, so that took me 10, 20. It took me like 30 something minutes to do. But this is what the curls look like. I haven't touched them at all. This is what the back looks like. Maybe I'll insert a clip from what my hair looked like last week. Maybe to see a comparison. I honestly don't know if there's like a huge difference. I don't really know if I like the way I look right now. I'm just running my fingers through them slightly. Okay, so I just had to put a new outfit on and like throw some hoops on for me to like really see what it looks like. I don't know if you guys have to do that, but sometimes you don't really, I don't know, it doesn't look good until it's like all put together. So I feel like that's what I had to do in order for me to like really like it, and I think it looks really cute. I feel like I look super summery though, obviously with this shirt and everything, but I think it's cute. Anyway, I really did enjoy using this reverse curling wand. It was the first time I ever tried a wand like this, and also the first time I ever tried anything from NuMe. So thank you to NuMe for sending me this once again. I'll leave the link in the description box where you guys can purchase your own. You guys should try it out. And I don't know if there's a huge difference between the one that I used previously and this one, but I'm gonna throw in those comparisons that I said I would do earlier and see if I really see a difference. But either way, I'm just happy I have a new wand, because that old wand was like probably 10 years old. I don't even know, probably from like 2010 or something. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.